Hi guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how I style my hair. I have hair extensions. I don't know if you can see them. Let me show you. I have like a row here. You can see a little bit of the hair extension. I'm gonna share with you my whole process of styling my hair. I usually style it on the day that I wash my hair, and then I don't touch it for like 4 days until I have to wash it again. As of right now, I'm trying to wash my hair once every 3 days, 3 to 4 days, but I'm training it to do it once every 7 days. But we're still in the process. You gotta start like very slow. But I want to share with you how I do my curls, what kind of products I use, and the whole process. So I hope that you really like this video, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I always start by brushing my hair, and I have this bamboo brush, and that's what I use to brush it. I think it's better than the plastic ones because it like distributes the oils better, especially when it's like my 4th day without washing my hair. And I have to be super careful because I have hair extensions, but they're already grown out, so I have like one over here where it should be like all the way up here, so I have to be careful with that. And like if you can see, like on this side, like some of the hair extensions are not fully brushed, so I need to go in there and brush them out. Then the next thing that I like applying is the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, and I like applying this especially for my hair extensions because it's technically dead hair. It's not receiving any more nutrients, so I want it to look shiny and healthy, and that way also the hair lasts longer. So I warm it up between my hands, and then I apply it from mids to ends, and I go this way. Make sure that it's all over my hair, my tips, and I don't rub it like this because that would cause frizz, so I just go like this. Right now it's like humid. I try to let it air dry as much as possible. And even though today was my wash day of my hair, I'm trying to like train my hair to go 7 days without washing it, but I only lasted 4 days this last time. And what I found that helps me the most with this, and also it was a tip from one of my hairdressers, was to apply some dry shampoo to the roots of my hair so that it holds the oil better. So this is the IGQ Direct Fly Multitasking Matcha Dry Shampoo. I love this one because, as you can see, it doesn't leave my hair looking white, so it doesn't look like I have dandruff or anything like that, and then I can just easily brush it with my fingers and distribute it. Usually like this part is where I get the most oil if it's not a hair wash day. Like it's either here or like in this part at the back. Now that that is done, I go with my thermal flat iron spray. This protects my hair from the heat. This is from the brand Rusk, and it has pure argan oil. Shake it and spray it, and this is before blow drying my hair. And like I said, I usually try to let it air dry, but since I have hair extensions, I need to make sure that everything is dry and it doesn't stay humid, because then it can look kind of oily. So I go with my Revlon hairbrush. If you want to see a video that I did a review on this, so I'm gonna link it down below in the description box as well as up there, so you can check it out. It's one of my favorite hair dryers. It's so easy to do, and it styles your hair at the same time. So it's all in one. So we plugged in this thing, and I'm gonna do a little time lapse because it's gonna be very loud, and I'm gonna be brushing it. Try to do like small sections like this from right here, and then go in as I go. Try to do it on the high level. Once dried, it looks something like this, so I can go ahead and either leave it just straight, but when I have hair extensions, it's like really long, so I feel like if you have long hair, you might as well style it so that it looks better, especially with like this color that I have, that it's kind of like a balayage. I think it just looks better when you curl it and style it a little bit. To curl it, I use these Hot Tools curling iron. I think this is 1.5 inches, either 1 inch or 1.5, but something like that. It's one of the thicker ones. How I do it, it took me like 2 days to learn how to curl with this kind of thing, because I would usually curl with my flat iron, but I think it takes me longer, so I just like pass it once. And you want to curl it like away from the clasp, so you turn this way and then you kind of like loosen it up a little bit and then curl it in, and then I leave it for like a few seconds and then just release it, and you can see curl right here. And I don't add any more heat protectant because I did it before blow drying my hair, so I just stayed with that one. And I usually like to pass it through once and then clasp it close to the root and then start like twisting and releasing, twisting and releasing, and then just twist it all in. Whenever I'm curling my hair, I try to keep it at like 400 or like 380 to 400 Fahrenheit. Also, I believe this one turns off after a while if you're not using it, so it's like a smart curling iron. I love having like tools like that, especially if I'm getting ready in the morning to leave my house and I by some reason forget to turn it off or unplug it. This turns off by itself, so it's awesome. So this is what it looks now, like so far. I try to like run through my hair with my fingers a little bit so that they're not like too defined, but you can see like the volume that I have compared to like the beginning where I had it like just straight hair. And sorry if you hear like a little bit of noise, but I have the fan on because I'm sweating so bad with the ring light in front of me. But I also like to do like this curl right here that you saw me doing earlier, just to like add some volume. And I think I'm gonna add one here too, so I'm doing it away from my face. I have the clasp on the bottom and getting this. And if I see that I'm missing anything, like I want more curls, like I go back with this thing, but I think I like the volume of this so far. And I like push my hair a little bit up just to create that more volume. And sometimes I go back with my Olaplex oil and apply a little bit more to the tips of my hair that might look a little bit dry, but I think like so far it looks good. And like you can see with the balayage, it creates a really nice like brunette color blend. I don't know, I love it. But this is how I usually style my hair. I only style it the first day, the day that I wash my hair, and then the rest of the days I probably like go back and curl some of the pieces that look like but yeah, usually like at the end of the night I put my hair into a braid, and that helps the curls to also last longer and to survive through those days that I don't wash my hair. But I hope that you like this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking the button down below, and hope to see you all more in my next videos. Bye guys.